So here it is, a Drake TR-4CW. In overall quite good condition. There is a fan modification on the back that was done by the previous owner. Personally, I'm not a fan. I did try to remove it, but there's a cutout here in the back, so I simply did the modification the way how it was supposed to be done by installing a capacitor and diode, so that there's basically a half bridge rectifier, and changing the value of the cap alters the speed of the fan, because before it was just going and was way too loud. You can see here the AC4 in the back of the MS4 speaker. It's a contest weekend right now. We're on 200 watts. I don't know if you'll hear us, but we'll try. Victor Kilo 2 X-Ray X-Ray Lima. Roger, Victor Kilo 2 X-Ray X-Ray Lima 5901. Roger, 73. Well, I mean, there we go. You know, 200 watts. I guess who needs to be a power freak like me with all the amplifiers that I've got? Let's have a listen around. Total mayhem. Oh man, it's so hard to lock onto a station. Japanese station. Victor Kilo 2 X-Ray X-Ray Lima. Victor Kilo 2 X-Ray X-Ray Lima. Victor Kilo 2 X-Ray X-Ray Lima. QSL 5902 73. Yeah. Yeah, so with a analog meter like this, you saw it peaking up to about 125 or thereabouts, and that basically means on voice peaks that we're doing about 200 PUP, but I'll demonstrate that to you now for sure and for certain. So let's go to our dummy load. Look at the plate current meter first off. Audio, 1, 2, 3. Hello, audio. So same deal, like on the voice peaks, that effectively almost doubles with what you're seeing there on the voice peaks. And again, 1, 2, 3, audio. Hello, audio. And we'll go ahead and drop a carrier, CW carrier, just under 200 watts. And of course the contest, so loud we're still hearing the contest on the dummy load. Anyway, back to the antenna.
November, Victoria, Foxtrot.
Overall, quite a nice radio. RIT control doesn't work, unfortunately. I don't really have time to investigate that at this stage. It could be the pot, it could be something else. The wires are all connected correctly, but it shouldn't be too much of a major problem. So besides that, and besides the fan mod, which is unnecessary, it's quite a nice radio. Drake TR-4CW sideband transceiver. Manufactured by R.L. Drake in Ohio. Classic American engineering, not the garbage that comes from certain countries these days.